with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Welcome back to Oshkosh. Today's video is sponsored by Elfin Hair. They sent me 2 packs of their color 4 Burmese curly crochet knot. As you can see, the color is tea and the link is in the description for all you guys' needs, and I will have a discount code also in the description.
Look at this hair. I have so much hair. Oh my gosh. Shout out to birth because I swear having a baby crochet hair. But today we're gonna get miracle knots. I have Touched by May doing my hair. I did a little bit of makeup, but I'm not feeling my makeup today. But hopefully, when I get these miracle knots in my hair, I'll feel a little bit better. I'm excited. This is the color 4, but it has like little blonde streaks in it. I'm not gonna lie, it's more browny, and then it is like Burmese curly, as you guys can see. Definitely not my color, but I'm excited how it's going to turn out because I always like to do colorful braids. So, you know, it's coming out. See me, see the 2 fingers touching. So yeah, come along. I'm going to record everything so you guys can see how it goes and how it looks.
This is what the pack came out like, with 2 bundles, super full, super pretty, and super thick. We used every last inch of that hair, and this is my hair freshly washed and blow dry. This is how I came prepped for my hair appointment. And of course, she started off by sectionally and parting my hair to make the process very quick. And of course, as you guys can tell, she separated the hair to make it more quicker. The process did take about 5 hours because my hair was long and thick. And of course, she used every last inch of hair to make it as thick as possible. So she told me she did my hair like regular boho knotless braids. She used the feed-in method because she wanted to hide the strings as much as possible to give it a very seamless look. And of course, since it's miracle knot, she did not add extra hair, and I'm gonna just show you guys the process from what she did from this view. She did tell me that she used about 4 to 8 pieces per braid, so she tried to use as much as she could so it could make the hair as curly and thick.
curls, I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm about to be in the house all day. Like, you see these spirals, y'all? Y'all see those spirals? Like, you can't see it, but like you see it. This is, yeah. It's giving springtime, summer hair.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more.
Now this is what the hair looks like. As I discovered, no wetness, no nothing. This is like straight out the pack what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, eats down. And now she's about to put mousse in water. That's a lot of mousse. I like the way that mousse just came out. This is perfect. My life. That is everything. Ooh.
Oh yeah, I can already tell.
Ooh. Ooh, that felt so good on my scalp. Ooh. That should not feel that good.
That's my favorite part.
Yes. I'm like, wait a minute. I always try to recreate that at home and it never comes in. Never feels like the first time.
Alright, so this is just some water. I put a little bit of oil and leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature. That's like our own stuff for the hair, so the hair doesn't get all dry. Alright.
No, this is so tea.
It's pretty and it's full.
Oh my goodness.
What's the name of the company?
Effin, yeah.
Yeah, alright, that's in there. They did that.
This is so sick. Stop. No, I'm in love. It's like I thought I was in love, but now.
Sorry if I scared you in the face.
No, you're fine. I want to go jump in the pool right now.
This is perfect though. For
No, for
vacation
real.
stuff.
That's what I'm like. Let me jump in the pool.
It has a little shedding, but it's not terrible.
I'm like, okay, show the folks.
A little bit. Let's see.
I'm just slinging it. I just feel like it's mine because it's like so lightweight. Okay, I am now a fan of Miracle Knots. I didn't think I would be this fond of it. I really didn't know what I was getting into. Now I can see the hype.
Yeah, this is beautiful. It's nice and long too.
This is. You see that? When you know it's tea, when you see it, you're touching. Yeah, and you ate down with the braids too. Like that, I'm about to be doing that all freaking. Oh, we didn't even cut it, like shape it yet.
That's what I said. We not even just wait. It's gonna be.
Y'all, I've never been so hyped over a hairstyle in a minute.
Scalp is okay.
Oh yeah. Feels good. Smells good too.
Maintenance wise, honestly, if we're gonna go 2 big braids, you should be good.
Okay, 2 big braids.
2 little big braids, 2 split down like that. Should be good.
Oh my god, it looks so pretty when you did that. I'm like, stop. They're gonna have to fight me for not telling them it's my hair. No, it's mine.
Wait. Since you first started out, too noticeable.
And I'm like, even do deeper. I'm like, do a little bit deeper. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be like, all right. Yeah, exactly.
Good?
Exactly. I like that.
I need to just connect it right
Yeah. Yeah, I like that, and I think it's gonna drive it good too, like that.
Yeah.
Yes, you understood this.
Yeah.
I'd be a little scissor happy, so that's why I'm like, no,
me too. That's all. Let me just throw it right.
No, yeah, I'm like, it's gonna dry real good too. Yeah, that looks way more natural. You can't just keep it blunt. We had to do a little. That's what I give it. That's what I call it.
Okay, I'm gonna clean up the back a little bit. You can stand up for me.
Trust in me. I can't. You said I can't trust in you.